that's at an angle there. So we'll just put it in, otherwise you can get a bit lost. And it's the other side of this. Yeah, it's coming up here, that's right. Okay, so that's going up there, and then we've got a little mark going up there on the outside of his nose, really, it's about here. And then, yeah, there's that mark there I put in. There's that little mark. See, it's really worth doing. Okay, so get some dark bits in there. I'm going to cover those all over. But there, when the white goes over the black, it really looks effective. So, although this is, it could be grey, it could be a bit grey, it'll have more impact if you've got some black in there as well. And it can be quite rough, it doesn't have to be neat by any means.